Learn English step by step, one sentence a day. Today, I want to tell you a simple story. This story is not just for listening. This story is for learning English. Many people want to speak English, but they feel afraid. They think, my English is weak. I will make mistakes. People will laugh at me. If you feel the same, this story is for you. There was a boy named Ravi. Ravi lived in a small town. He understood English a little, but he could not speak it. In school, Ravi stayed quiet. When the teacher asked questions, he looked down. He knew the answer, but he was afraid to speak. At home, Ravi watched English videos. He listened to English songs. He liked English. But still, he did not speak. Fear stopped him. One day, Ravi met his teacher after class. The teacher asked, Ravi, why don't you speak in English? Ravi said softly, Sir, I am scared. I make mistakes. The teacher smiled and said, Ravi, mistakes are part of learning. No one speaks perfect English at the start. Then the teacher gave him one simple idea. Speak one English sentence every day. Only one. That is enough. Ravi thought, one sentence? I can try. The next day, Ravi said, Good morning, sir. That was it. Just 3 words. His heart was beating fast. But nothing bad happened. The next day, he said, How are you? Slowly, day by day. Ravi spoke one sentence. Some days were easy. Some days were hard. Sometimes, people laughed. Sometimes, friends corrected him. Sometimes, he felt embarrassed. But Ravi remembered his teacher's words. Do not stop. So he continued. Every night, Ravi practiced. He stood in front of the mirror. He spoke slowly. He repeated sentences again and again. I am learning English. I like this book. Today is a good day. He did not try big sentences. He did not try difficult words. He stayed simple. After 1 month, something changed. Ravi was not silent anymore. He started answering small questions. His pronunciation improved. His confidence grew. He still made mistakes. But now, he was not afraid of them. Mistakes became teachers. Ravi also learned one important habit. He listened carefully. He listened to English videos. He listened to simple conversations. He repeated what he heard. Listening helped his speaking. After 3 months, Ravi could speak for 1 minute. After 6 months, he could speak for 5 minutes. Not perfect English, but clear English. Confident English. One day, Ravi gave a small speech in class. His hands were shaking, but his voice was strong. When he finished, the class clapped. Ravi smiled. Now, let me tell you something important. You do not need a big course. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need expensive classes. You need practice. Here are some simple rules to learn English. Rule number 1. Speak daily. Even one sentence is enough. Rule number 2. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes mean learning. Rule number 3. Use simple words. Simple English is powerful. Rule number 4. Listen more. Listening improves speaking. Rule number 5. Be patient. Confidence takes time. If you wait to be perfect, you will never start. Start today. Start small. Say this sentence today. I am learning English. Say it slowly. Say it clearly. Say it with confidence. Remember Ravi's story. He was not special. He was just consistent. And you can be consistent too. English is not a language of fear. It is a language of communication. Speak. Practice. Improve. One sentence a day can change your life. Glowing star ending line for video. Start today. Speak today. Learn English one step at a time.